Today we will discuss a list of must-grow herbs at home, whether you have a garden space or just a small balcony. And the best thing is they all can be easily grown in just a 10-inch pot as well. And you can actually use these herbs on daily basis to improve your health and immunity. So let's check out the list. Welcome back friends, I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Let's get started. So first from the list, which is very common herb and can be seen in almost all the houses, is curry leaves. It can be very easily grown in pots. Its leaves are used in cooking and it's very good for digestion, and it has very strong flavor as well. The plant loves to grow in full sunlight and can be easily propagated through stem cuttings. And if it's growing in garden, it produces bigger size leaves as compared to the ones growing in pots. A highly recommended herb to grow in pots if you have a balcony which gets at least 3 hours of sunlight, and you can use it on daily basis in cooking. Next from the list is mint, which is a very common herb that can be easily grown from a store-bought mint. It has a very strong flavor and smell and can be used as a mouth freshener. It's widely used in cooking for making chutneys and salad dressing as well. And the plant loves lots of moisture in soil and can be grown in full sun to partial shade, both. A highly recommended plant to be grown in hanging baskets or small pots for balconies. Next from the list comes betel vine, which is commonly known as Paan. It's grown for its edible leaves and it improves digestion, controls bad breath, and it's a perfect mouth freshener as well. It's a climber, so it needs some support to grow, or you need to grow it somewhere where it can climb on its own, like near windows, trellis, fences, and more importantly, the plant loves partial shade to thrive. And it needs a lot of moisture in the soil. And it can be very easily propagated by stem cuttings like money plants. Next is lemongrass, which is commonly known as Zara Kush. It looks like grass, but it has many medicinal properties and it has a very strong smell and flavor, which makes it a perfect mosquito repellent plant. Its leaves are used in making green tea, and you can easily grow them in full sun to partial shade both. And it can be propagated through root division method very easily. In fact, if you get its stem also from a grocery store, you can put it in water and they will also start growing roots and shoots. Next herb from the list is holy basil or Tulsi. This is a very sacred and common herb that is found in almost every house in India. It has many medicinal properties, like it is used to treat cough and cold, and it's a mosquito repellent plant as well. They love full direct sunlight to thrive, and once you grow them in your garden, they'll keep spreading like anything all over through its seeds. I have a detailed video on this plant, you can check it to know more about it. And this variety is the sweet basil, which is the another variety of basil. It has a very pleasant smell yet very strong flavor, and it's a very good mouth freshener as well. It is used as seasoning in Italian dishes like pasta and pizza and all. They also can be grown by its seeds very easily, and they do grow well in full sun to partial shade both. Next from the list is rosemary. It has a very strong and pungent smell and flavor. A perfect mosquito repellent plant as well, and can be used as a mouth freshener also. It is widely used in Italian dishes like pasta and pizza for seasoning, and it is very easy to be propagated through stem cuttings. And it can grow well in full sun to partial shade both. Last from the list is aloe vera. It's good for skin, hair, and its juice is good for stomach. It's a very good air purifier plant as well, and it can be grown in full sun to partial shade both. The mature plants produce pups near the roots which can be separated and grown as a new plant. So I hope you found the video helpful. I'll share a few buying links. You can buy them online. So that's all for today, friends. I'll come up soon with one more interesting video next week. Till then, bye-bye and happy gardening.